Astro Excel chart looking at the week ahead. Sunday evening, we are turning upward here. 1800 hours when the session opens. We've got an upward bias on the blue line into Monday morning about 5 a.m. You can see the green line is relatively flat most of the week. We get a little bit of a push up here Tuesday evening, and then we're basically flat again, just kind of riding between the 0 and +5, +8. And then we finally get to a little bit of a down push on Friday, and then Friday evening or Friday morning, and then down into Friday around 8 a.m. and then we've got a green line push to the close. So the blue line will probably be the more dominant scenario this week. So what I'll be looking to do is, as we get into Monday morning here and we peak out on the blue line, I'll be looking generally to the downside to look for shorts, since that's the primary movement throughout the day on Monday. And then we've got a push up through the evening, and then we bottom out, or peak out rather, at about 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. And then we are down till about 10 a.m. Tuesday. And then we've got this zigzag, but it's a general upward move into the peak here at about 1900 hours on Tuesday. So I'll be looking for a downside. We've got both lines converging here. Green line, blue line, down to 8 a.m. on Wednesday morning. And then we've got a quick push up till about 11. And then we've got this big push down into Thursday about 8 a.m. with a little bit of zigzagging in between here on Wednesday. So that represents a little bit of chop there on the Astro indication. Doesn't mean the market's going to chop. It just means there's not a lot of Astro influence at that point in time. But then again here Thursday at midnight, we're kind of in sync on the lines to 8 a.m. And then we're pushing this blue line up until Friday at about 2 a.m. You can see the blue line double tops, but the green line's coming up and peaks right between them. So that's going to peak around midnight, early Friday morning, and then be down to about 8 a.m. on the green line and about 11 on the blue line. And then we're kind of both in sync for a pretty good push on the blue line Friday. So that's kind of what I'll be looking at, trading using the timing tools and the Cosmo to see what the Cosmo shows for trend with this, and then trade in those directions based on the timers of the rainbow and pH.